Well, we've got two fantastic guests, and I confess to knowing both of them, Nidhi, quite well. Raghavendra Prasad, founder of Step One, and Dr. Shuchin Bajaj, the founder director of the Ujjwala Cignus Hospitals. Thank you both very much for being with us. Raghavendra, what is Step One's involvement with plasma donation in Delhi?
In Delhi, Project Step One is helping the Delhi government in the fight against COVID in terms of mobilizing donors for plasma, as well as helping the donors to be matched with the right recipients. The intervention in Delhi was enabled by the government when it set up the plasma bank in ILBS, which is a Delhi government-owned hospital, and they were not able to get enough donors to come forward and donate, and in spite of a lot of campaigns, and that's when they requested if Step One can help. And what we started doing was we started having the volunteer doctors on Step One talk to each of these donors personally and get them to come down and donate. Whenever somebody turns COVID positive, there are two reactions. One of the two reactions, one is, they continue their life, as if nothing happened. And the other extreme is they completely, utterly panic and, do things which they shouldn't be doing. Like, for example, rushing to a hospital and demanding a bed and things like that. So a call from a doctor basically helped, make the reaction a little subdued on both counts. People who completely didn't care that they had COVID and were going about their life as their normal, the doctors would counsel them that that is not the right thing to do, and they should be isolated in their house. And also on for people who are extremely panicky, they would calm their nerves and help them to think a little bit more rationally. This relationship actually went on for until the time these people recovered. The citizens who were COVID positive actually recovered. So there were deep bonds between doctors and volunteer doctors and citizens, and the impact of that is actually immeasurable.
Ji, we have with us Dr. Shuchin Bajaj. Dr. Saab, what has been the impact in Delhi so far?
The impact, I think, has been massive. Everybody is speaking about the Delhi model, and we are just lucky and very proud and privileged to have been a small part of it. I think we connected to hundreds of thousands of patients. If you think that R0 is about 2 to 3, anywhere between 2 to 3, connecting to about 90,000 patients in Delhi. The last time we had the data, I think it's more than 100,000 now. If you see that, the R0 is, let's say, 2.5, you prevented almost 2.5 lakh new infections because we made sure that these people either stayed at home or went to hospital and did not keep roaming around, did not go out, did not become super spreaders. So I think that made a big difference between what the assessment of everybody was initially when the pandemic came in. Initially, the investment was the expectation was that Delhi would have lakhs of cases by the end of July. I think that really helped in keeping the cases down to manageable and keeping the hospital beds free, and most importantly, preventing panic. And I think the plasma bank itself had amazing impact. We could save hundreds of lives because we managed to collect the plasma at one place and gave it out completely free of cost.
जी डॉक्टर बजाज, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि दिल्ली का मॉडल अगर हमें रेप्लिकेट करना है अन्य राज्यों में, तो किस तरह का सपोर्ट चाहिए होगा आगे बढ़ने के लिए?
I think the fact that replication of the Delhi model, as we say, I think the most important part is getting in more volunteers. So I would urge all doctors and other volunteers, techies, whoever wants to play a small part in it, I would urge all of you to come and volunteer with us and try and help patients in the short term, COVID patients, and in the long term we can help thousands and millions of other patients as well. The second important factor would be, of course, the government support from the territories that we work in. Delhi has been an amazing example. The government has really gone out of the way to help us in any way we wanted. I mean, there were so many helps from the Delhi government, I can't really enumerate, but that will be the second most important factor to replicate that model.
Shuchin, thank you very much for being with us. Raghavendra, thank you very much as well.